Hi guys, how are you today? My name is Bailey Sarian, and today, well, first of all, I want to give a big shout out to _Carlitas Way 85 on Instagram. She contacted me and told me about this wig that she found on Amazon. Wig Duty was looking out for me. She passed me the information, and I just wanted to give her a little shout out. It's cute. Do you like it? I'm not sure if I'm a bangs kind of gal, but yeah. Anyways, I just want to say thanks, girl, for looking out. But today I wanted to do a Sephora haul, and I want to show you guys what I got at Sephora. I already unpackaged everything just to save camera time. I'm gonna show you what I got. I'm gonna try it on my face, and it's gonna be, there's hair everywhere, and it's gonna be a good time. A lot of the stuff that I picked up is not new by any means. So I'm very late to the game. This is old stuff, but it's stuff that I've never tried before, so it's new to me. So the first item that I picked up, Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. I got the shade 260 and 180 because online it's hard to tell. It's hard to color match online. So I picked up these two shades, swatched them on my hand in store when they first came out, and they seemed very, very dry and matte. But because it's summertime and everybody gets a little greasy and oily and sweaty, I thought this would be a good summertime foundation. It claims to give you medium to full coverage, and just everyone who wears it on Instagram that I see and lurk on, their skin always looks amazing. So I was like, I wanna try it. This was $34, so I got that foundation, okay? I also picked up the Fenty Beauty 110 foundation brush. Okay. Anyways, this was $34. I don't want to cut it because these come in handy. Wait, got it. Yes, got it. I'm sweating. 110. Medium density liquid foundation brush. Over 140,000 ultra fine synthetic bristles for softer touch and better blending. So I'm gonna use that to apply the foundation. Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint. That is this bad boy right here. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, YouTube. I've been using this for the last couple days. If you follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, I believe, I've been wearing a red lip, and it's been this one. Let me just say that this is the prettiest red. It's so creamy. I love it. It's called Uncensored. I believe this is the only shade they have, but I think they're coming out with more. This was $24. First, I was very intimidated by it, but it actually really hugs the lip, and you can get a very thin, clean line with it. I ate tacos, I ate a burrito, I ate Jack in the Box. I ate like crap the last couple days, and while wearing this, I didn't get like the, you know, when it disappears all in here, it didn't crumble or nothing. The Fenty Beauty Freestyle Highlighter Duo. Oh, I didn't realize how big this was. Online, they look so small, but this is actually really big. So this is shade Mean Money and Hustla Baby. Oh, you know what? Duh. Hand drew. We're gonna do a little swatch. So these ones are $34. I've gotten a few comments where hand drew is in the video of you guys saying that this is weird and creepy. Just want to say thank you. Welcome to my channel. Weird and creepy. And then I got Metal Moon. Looks like you can't even see it. It's invisible. Let's do a little swatch and see. So these are very creamy to the touch. You can use them as eyeshadows, as cheek highlights, as lip toppers, on the body, on the sole, whatever you want. More Fenty stuff. I know. Probably saw every video when Fenty first came out, all the reviews that were coming out. I had to wait a good solid year before buying all of it because, you know, sometimes it's a fad and things die out. So I had to make sure it was good product and it was lasting. Matchstick Matte Skin Stick, and I have the shade French Vanilla. Now these go for $25, and online they were saying you could use this as a concealer, as an under eye highlight, over your foundation, under your foundation, as your foundation. I also picked up the shade Porcelain because, again, online it's hard to determine what color I should get. I think I'm probably gonna be more of a porcelain kind of gal. These are Sephora eyeshadows, individual shadows, and these go for $8. Now, I used to work at Sephora. I was there for like 5 years back in the day. Ballet shoes. This used to be like my jam, and I would put it on so many people, and it was always sold out. So I guess they reformulated them, reminiscing about the old times. Ballet shoes. What Happens in Vegas. Unicorn Dust. Girl Talk. And Lucky Penny. Kind of give that light wash of color where the lid looks a little wet, little iridescent. You can build them. I don't know. We're gonna see though on the eyes. The Marc Jacobs Insta Marc Light Filtering Contour Powder. Oh, so this is a contour and a highlight powder. I remember I really liked this, but I never bought it. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get it and see if I still really like it. It's a huge pan. I like that you get a huge mirror. And this one was, I wrote down the prices, $40. You know when you buy a lot of stuff from Sephora and you spend a lot of money and then you lay it all out and you're like, that's it, that's all I got? For as much as I spent, it should have been half of the store, in my mind. So let's now do a look with the products that I got and try them out. I haven't tried anything besides this, so it's gonna be like a first impressions, I guess. So I'm going to do the tutorial without my hair on because a lot of you are asking me to see my real hair for some reason, but also it's just that wig is so in my face that it's just easier to do it without the wig. So I did moisturize my face and I'm going to use the Smashbox and Vlada Petal Metal Primer, but I was just thinking earlier today, actually, I told myself my New Year's resolution was to buy no foundation for the year of 2018, and I was like, wow, I'm doing such a great job. Then I remembered I bought this foundation and I bought another foundation that lasted all of 5 months. Fenty foundation brush. I decided on 260. The nice thing about bangs is that you don't really have to do your eyebrows because the bangs cover your eyebrows. But I don't know if with my face bangs look good. Maybe because I'm just not used to it. Overall, so far, I really like this brush. It's very nice. So I wanted you guys to come in nice and close because I wanted you to actually see the foundation on my skin. Overall, like, my under eye looks dry, but if I go in with my beauty blender, I can make that look better. My discoloration showing, my hyperpigmentation still showing, and I definitely like that covered. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like on the skin. So I just added a couple more layers of the foundations and very sheer layers to build it. I've noticed underneath my eyes, it looks very dry and very cakey, like it's separating. So I think in the future, I would definitely avoid my under eye area. I have some situations happening under here. Other than that, it looks nice. Again, I'm very dry, so me even using a matte foundation, it's just like, I don't know why I was expecting it to not look dry. So it's like, I can't be mad at it. So this is the Matchstick in Porcelain. Place this underneath my eyes. And then using the brush, I'm going to blend it into the skin. I don't know what happened. I just wanted to show you guys what was happening underneath my eyes. Like, I'm having a situation right here. Just very cakey and very dry. And I'm very sad. And then when I blend with my finger, it's just starting to like separate on me. So I don't even know what to do at this point. So I just want to show you, if you have drier under eyes, this is definitely not for you. What do I do? What do I do? I guess we just keep going. So I did fill in my eyebrows. I'm gonna set my other under eye with the Laura Mercier loose setting powder in translucent. I'm hoping maybe this will help with the under eye dryness I have going on, but honestly, it's probably not. I'm thinking if I mix this foundation in with a little bit of my moisturizer, it would actually be pretty nice. So I'm not giving up on this foundation. I want it to work, but I will say as of right now, it's definitely not working. I'm going to add a little bit of a contour using the Marc Jacobs and, oh look, Marc Jacobs brush. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, right in the hollows of my cheek. Now I'm going like really thick with my contour because when I put on my wig, it cuts off like this much of my face. So you're only gonna see about that. That's why I'm extending it more down towards my mouth. I'm like really going heavy with it. You'll see. Now I am going to be using this shade right here to highlight. So I'm gonna place this under my eyes. Oh man. Up close it's really bad. Maybe I shouldn't do this. Never mind. I'm just gonna do it anyways. I'm gonna set my face with a setting spray in hopes to make it look good. This is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter in Metal Moon. That's pretty. I wanna see this one. This is the Hustler, baby. Ooh. Whoa. And then I wanna see what this one looks like. It's the Mean Money. It doesn't really have any shimmer to it. It's more like just a nice sheen. Now we move on to the eyes. For eyeshadow primer, I'm using my Makeup Forever Eye and Lip Primer. I'm gonna go in with the Sephora eyeshadow in Ballet Shoes and my finger. Ooh-wee. With the shade Girl Talk and a clean finger. Middle of my lid outwards. Switching to my Smashbox All Over Shadow Brush, I'm just gonna lightly go over the lid to really smooth it out. And then with the shade Lucky Penny and my Smashbox brush, my outer lid coming into my crease. And Lucky Penny, this one I'm placing along my lower lash line. Oh, I have glitter all over my face. At least my under eye looks a little bit better now that I set it with the powder and whatnot. It doesn't look as bad, but it still doesn't look that great. It doesn't look that great. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and put on a coat of mascara. I'll be right back. I put a coat of mascara on my top and bottom lashes, but I put on my wig too because I just needed something to like make me feel better because I didn't have hair. My makeup is separating. I'm just kind of like not into this look. But I'm gonna save it with this red lip. This one's called Uncensored and it's by Fenty Beauty as well. I love it. I think I need eyeliner. I look like a frog. Hold on, we need eyeliner. This is a Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Maybe I'll add some lashes too. So I put on some eyelashes. I won't lie, I'm using these eyelashes as a crutch because I don't really like the situation that's happening on my face right now. Overall, I tried some new stuff. I wanna know what you guys think, but my thoughts on this stuff, Fenty Beauty Foundation, it does just what it says. It gives you a very matte finish. You can build it from medium to full. On me personally, probably won't use it on my under eyes because it got so dry under here. I can't be mad at it for looking dry because it is a matte foundation. It's doing what it's supposed to do. So I can't be like, I don't like it. I have dry skin. I have to use something like mixed in with it to make it work for me and my skin type. But I am gonna try it again because I do think there's a way to make it work. And I want it for summer because I do get really sweaty and hot and oily and I want something to look flawless throughout summertime. And if I do make it work, I'll let you know. If I don't and return it, I'll let you know as well. The Matchstick product that I placed underneath my eyes, this was just way too dry for me. And I think this actually, I might return. Yeah, because I don't think I can make this work. It's very dry. It ate up underneath my eyes all of the foundation I had under there. It doesn't look good on me. I don't think it's for me. It's definitely working for a lot of people out there. But for me, I'm gonna have to pass on that one. With the Fenty Beauty highlights, I really like this one that has the gold in it. The other one, the Metal Moon, is just very sheer. I'm sure it would look pretty on the body. If you want more like pigment and more intense highlight, this one definitely was very pretty. They're a lot bigger than what I thought they were gonna be. Online they look tiny, so I was surprised to see that they are a lot bigger. I like that they come with a mirror. But if I had to choose between one or the other, I'm definitely gonna be grabbing for this one more. This one was like, wow, 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 wow. What else? Oh, the foundation brush. I really like this. I love a brush like this. When watching my tutorials, I use this one. It's a Crown blush brush, and it's pretty similar. You pat it on, you get a nice full coverage. This one is more dense, so I do feel like you can get more coverage with this brush, whereas this one is just kind of more, not as dense. So I like this. I'll be keeping this for sure. Could do a lot with this. We can go places. Lips, I love this stuff. As you saw, I didn't use a lip liner. You can get a nice clean line with it. Stays on all day. My only complaint was that it started to spread out on me throughout the day and I started to turn into the Joker, but that's an easy fix with a translucent powder or even a lip liner to keep it in all day. But overall, I like it a lot. And I like the packaging as well. It's very pretty. It feels luxurious. It doesn't like dry out my lips. It doesn't get crumbly or cakey. Ugh. The Marc Jacobs, this bad boy, the Insta Marc. I'm gonna keep this for sure. I love it. I already know I love it. I mean, it gave a nice contour color. It's not too warm. It's not too gray. It's just right. This one, it was hard to judge because of my under eye situations, but I will be using this again. Do you need this? No. Do you need any of this stuff? Absolutely not. It's your call. None of this stuff is like changing my life. The Sephora eyeshadows, they're very pretty. I just think by the time I got to my eyes, I was really over this whole look and I wanted to wash my face. So yeah, but I mean, I like these. I'm gonna be using them for sure. I hope you have a good day today. You make good choices. I'll be seeing you guys very, very soon. See you guys later. Bye. Ugh.